Hello viewers, welcome to Watch Center official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review one of Casio new calculator watch. The one in my hand is in green resin strap and the black dial. It's a calculator watch, one of our favorite. It's a new design, newly released. It comes with a retro look and feel, a slim dial, the calculator function on the dial so that you can do the basic calculation on the go. And it's a pretty lightweight watch. The weight is around 25 gram, and also the dial is slim and it looks pretty attractive on the wrist. So viewers, watch the complete video as we will check the features available in this watch. Also we will check the weight, dial diameter, and we will try this watch on the wrist. Also we will let you know from where you can order this watch online. So viewers, CA53WF3B, that's the model number of this watch. It's the original Casio watch. Slim dial. There are two buttons on the right. The one is slightly outward, one is level with the dial. Also this numeric keypad is for the calculator function, and this is the display. Right now it's telling you the time, digital time, and this is a green strap. It's pretty soft, comfortable. And this is the back side of the dial. It's in stainless steel, which gives this watch water resistance protection. So viewers, from this button you can check the functions available in this watch. Calculator function, alarm, dual time, stopwatch. So these are the functions available in this watch. Let's check the calculator function. So once you are in the calculator mode, so you can make use of numeric keypad to perform basic calculation. Let's say 44 multiplied by 7. So 308. Multiplied by 6, 1848. So with the use of this numeric keypad you can do the basic calculation. And in order to change the time, you need to make use of this button. Just press this button. So it's 0, 4, hour, and then minute, and then second. So right now it's 04. So you can make use of the numeric keypad. Let's say 1, 11, 30, and then this is the date and the time and the year. So it's 2022, and the month is 12, and the date is 09. So you need to press this button again to exit from the time setting mode. So as you can see, Friday, the time. So this is how you adjust the time. In the same way you can adjust the alarm. Just press this button and then make use of keypad to adjust the alarm. And also the dual time you can set in the same way. For the stopwatch, you just press any button and then press it again to pause, and press the 0 button to reset. 0 to reset, and press this plus button to start, to pause, to again start, and 0 to reset. So viewers, these are the functions available in this watch. So let's check the weight of the watch, the dial diameter, and let's try this watch on the wrist. So viewers, let's check the weight of this watch in gram. So viewers, the weight of this watch is 23.9. It's approximately 24 grams, so it's pretty lightweight watch. So viewers, let's check the diameter of the dial in millimeter. So area that falls on your wrist is 41.3 mm. 41.3 mm. And dial thickness is 6.3. So it's pretty slim dial. It's 6.3 mm. So viewers, let's try this watch on the wrist to see how it looks. So viewers, like I mentioned earlier, this watch gives you a retro look and feel. It looks pretty attractive on the wrist. And the green resin strap. So it's pretty decent watch. Budget range, the price is less than 30 bucks. It's original Casio. It's a perfect casual watch, a digital watch. So viewers, you can order this watch online. We have given link in the description. Please check the link for more information about how to order this watch online internationally. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notification of the video reviews of Casio and other branded watches. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.